Hey, Scott Austin here from Jade Puma. And I want to show you a new section that we've created and are sharing with you that you can add to your Flex theme in your Shopify store. And it will allow you to feature specific blog articles on your site. So on the home page of my demo store here, I'm using finelinenandbath.com as my example here today. We're using the built-in section that allows you to pick a blog, and what it does, it shows the most recent articles in that blog. So if we look up here under resources, which we're calling the blog, you'll see these three articles are the same ones that show up on this homepage section. And that makes sense here. We want to show, the most recent content here on the homepage. But that always doesn't make sense, right? Sometimes you want to show specific blog articles, and this section will allow you to do that. So let's go to the bed page. And down at the bottom of the page, we've got some popular bedding guides. And you'll see all of these are blog articles, and they all refer to bedding. So if we had used the built-in section, it would show the three most recent, or five most recent, whatever number we wanted, but we couldn't pick specific articles. Now, if you're using blog articles like most stores are for SEO purposes, you probably have a concept of skyscraper content. And you want to promote your skyscraper articles throughout your store as much as possible to reinforce to Google the signal that you're trying to send them that this is the important pages for them to index. So this is a tool to help you do that. And the way it works is if we go into theme customization onto that bed page, and I scroll down to the section that we've added here, and this section is called Featured Articles. I had to refresh for some strange reason. Go down to Featured Articles. Just like in the built-in section, you get to pick which blog you're looking at and some other settings. But what we've added to this is the ability to add blocks. And each block is an article. So you get to decide how many articles you're going to promote, what order they're going to be in, because now you have drag and drop capabilities in the blocks. So it's not just the most recent ones being shown at the top. And also you get to pick which specific blog articles they are. So here you can see you have the ability to pick any article you want really easily inside of this theme customization widget here. So that gives you the ability to promote specific content. And this section works here, it's on a page, but we're also doing the same thing if we go into a blog article. We're using that same section, and we can do different content on different pages and different articles. So this section, you can add it to an article page, you can add it to a blog page, you can add it to a page or a collection or a product or even the home page. You have lots of flexibility in where you put it, and every instance you create of it is going to allow you to put unique content in there. So go back to our top level nav. We just saw the bed category. Let's go to the bath. And in that one, we are showing bath-specific resources or blog articles, and the same thing with table. All right, so it's really easy to use once you've got it added to your theme, and it's also really easy to add to your theme. So let's go into the Shopify admin under the theme that we're using here, which is actually an offline one for Flex, and I'm going to edit the code. And over here, I'm showing you, this is the code that's shared on the blog article on the Jade Puma website. So you can just hit the raw button here. And before you do that, you want to note the name that you want to name this section, Index Featured Articles. Click on the raw and just hit Control A to select all. Right click and hit copy. So you've got all that code in your cache. So we're going to go over here into our theme code editor and go down to our sections folder, add a new section using that name, which was index __ featured articles. Now I've already got this section added, so I'm just going to put a -1 in here. And then just select all this text, delete it, and then I'm going to right click and say paste, and that's going to paste that content that we got from that raw section of the gist. And all you got to do is save that, and you now have that section added to your store. You can go into theme customization, add it anywhere you want, and then pick the specific articles that you want to promote. So it's super easy to add to your store if you're using the Flex theme, and super easy to use. So hopefully that's of help to you. Thanks for watching.